As the Samsung Galaxy S24 launch approaches, the rumor mill keeps churning, hinting at an exciting potential addition. A recent post by Ice Universities on X suggests that the upcoming phone might boast 4K video recording at a staggering 120 frames per second. While the inclusion of 4K recording isn't entirely novel for Samsung, achieving the highest frame rate has been a challenge. For instance, the Galaxy S23 Ultra can record in 4K, but is limited to 60 FPS due to software restrictions. However, rumors indicate that the Galaxy S24 is undergoing testing that unlock higher recording capabilities. Yet, it's crucial to note that this feature's availability in the final product isn't confirmed. This potential advancement, if realized, raises questions about the improvements enabling it. The speculated enhancements in the phone's chipset, like the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, coupled with the power of the Galaxy S24's internal AI, Samsung Gauss, might be driving forces behind this upgrade. Comparatively, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is currently capped at 60 FPS for 4K record range. Should this rumor materialize, the Galaxy S24 Ultra would surpass Apple's flagship in this aspect. The reported removal of the 10x telephoto lens was initially a letdown for many anticipating the Galaxy S24. However, this prospective enhancement in 4K recording could potentially mitigate that disappointment. Furthermore, the rumored inclusion of an LTPO display in the Galaxy S24 could enhance 4K recording significantly. The LTPO technology, known for its adaptable refresh rates without compromising battery life, was previously introduced in the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This feature could aid the S24 in rendering higher resolutions without draining the battery, potentially improving its relatively lower battery lifespan. With just a few weeks until the Galaxy S24 launch, Samsung seems to have made substantial efforts to elevate the already impressive S23. The incorporation of a more potent chip and an enhanced AI suite signals a promising start for the Galaxy S24 in 2024. If the speculated 4K recording feature becomes a reality, it will undoubtedly add to the growing list of positives for this phone.